Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing slash first impressions video for you guys with my brand new air fryer. As you can see here guys, it comes with 8 preset cooking programs, rapid air circulation technology, cooks from 1 to 30 minutes, it has a wide range of temperature control, and it fries with little to no oil. It's a 3.7 quarts electric programmable air fryer. And the brand is GoWiseUSA, but I'm in Canada though guys. And it also includes a 100 recipe cookbook. I am so looking forward to trying out some of these recipes guys. I cannot wait. Right here it says it has a detachable pan and basket, and they're easily removable and non-stick for easy cleanup. It also has a multifunction control panel with 8 preset programs, a timer, and temperature control. It has a rapid air circulation. It cooks food by circulating hot air in all directions. So without any further ado, let's get into it. As you can see here guys, they did a good job with the packaging, and it did also come in an outer box that I had removed prior to this, before showing you this part. But yeah, they did a great job with the packaging. So here it is guys. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Yeah, I really like it. It's cute. I like the design of it and everything. It just look very chic to me. As it says on the box, it did come with a 100 recipe cookbook. It has a safety tips and precautions sheet, and it also has a contact information booklet which shows all their different points of contact. You can also contact them on Facebook and Twitter, and also on Instagram. It has a user manual which also shows the different colors that this product comes in. Okay, so this is what inside is looking like guys, and you just press on that button right there to release the inside basket. Guys, I don't know if you're ready, but I'm so ready to try this baby out. And guys, for whatever type of food you're planning on making, they have time and temperature settings available for whatever it is. For just fries alone, right here they have time and temperature for if you're making wedges or frozen fries or homemade fries. Yeah, and I also got some parchment paper to help with easy cleanup. And then I decided to do some homemade fries. And right here you can see me adding some olive oil, and I also added a little bit of salt for taste. Alright, so let's get cooking. So I put it in there guys, and then I'm going to set it to chips, and as you see there, it's gonna take 20 minutes. That's when the timer was at 2 seconds remaining, and then I'm all done. So this is what it looks like, straight out of the pot, I guess. So now I'm just going to plate this and do a little comparison between the fries that I did in the air fryer versus the fries that I did in my deep fryer. And right off the bat, what I noticed was the air fryer, the fries that I did with the air fryer was less greasy for sure. So for those who are looking for a healthier option, I think using an air fryer would be a great choice. Okay, there it is, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And if you are interested in getting this product, I'll leave the information as to where you can find it in my description box. I always leave the links in my description box, the products that I show on here. So if you're interested, just check it out. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you guys for watching.